What's going on, y'all? Today I'm going to show you my brand new boat, new to me. It is just a 12-foot aluminum John boat. It's Starcraft, 12 foot by 36. It's 1977, so it's kind of a piece of junk, but it's going to be my new fishing rig. I'm going to fix it up and hopefully make it a nice fishing boat. So I'm going to take you guys along with the journey. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we came up with our first problem. The boat leaks, of course. So I went ahead and took a wire brush to it, tried to clean it off the best I could, figure out maybe what rivets are leaking, and we're gonna go from there, maybe try and tighten them up. If that doesn't work, probably gonna have to go with a epoxy sealant. It looks like someone already went with that, so we're just gonna try and clean that up the best we can. It still leaks, so we'll clean that up and keep going. All right, y'all, so now I went ahead and pounded on these rivets a little bit. What I'm doing is I am taking a regular, just taking a ball hitch, okay? I'm just using this flat surface right here, just a regular hammer, okay? And what I'm doing is taking these rivets and putting my hammer right here, just smacking them down a little bit just to tighten them up. And I'm putting this ball joint hitch on the other side of the rivet just to hold it there, just to make sure that rivet doesn't pop out. Keeps it sturdy, and just give those aluminum buck rivets just a little tap. Hopefully they hold up. Now we're going to do the water test here. Pour some water in there. Okay. Looky there, we're still leaking. But I think it's definitely a little better. So definitely this rivet right here. So we're not having very much luck. It's still dripping a decent amount. We got water in there. So we're gonna go ahead and drain it and then see if we can bang some more on this. All right, y'all. So I ended up not being able to fix the rivets by just trying to rebuck them. So what guess I'm gonna have to do now is go get something like a sealant or an epoxy and try to seal up these seams and loose rivets. I'll keep you updated. This is gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching.